guys, this is MasterGamer 21, and today I'm gonna be doing another cooking with MasterGamer 21, and today we're gonna be doing some grilled cheese. So let's get started. Alright, so you're gonna need 2 pieces of bread, cheese, 2 pieces I like, and ham, and a skillet, dun, 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 and also butter spray. Let's get started. Alright, all you need to do is spray each with butter, like so, and then the other one. There we go. So now that you got that done, let's go ahead and start the oven. I mean, the stove.
Oven and stove.
Well, yeah. Now that you got that, we will. Alright. Need your help again. Alright. Point down. Alright, now flip over each one. Open it up. Right there, like so. Same thing with the other. Voila. Open the ham. And make a mess like me. Oh, wait. Grab 3 or just enough pieces of ham that you like. Put a couple on the other one. Turn it over, and there you have it. It's not hot yet, so let's check it out. So we have the butter thing. Make sure it's flipped over. The one that's on the face in the bottom and one on top. So I have a piece of cheese right there because I like it melted on the bread. So and I have a nice amount of ham right there. So yeah, that's good. Couple updates. My computer is getting worked on. I might do a couple Five Nights at Freddy's once it's ready. And yeah, I'm gonna be rocking on gaming videos. That's why I'm called MasterGamer. But I'm just doing vlogs now. And here's another. So let's check if the stove is hot. That's hot enough. Use that one more time.
Yeah.
Alright, now you take it. Yeah, now you will just want to keep flipping it so you won't burn it. I'm going to just turn on element size to get it done quicker. I'm like a chef. I need an apron. I need an apron. And now, tap down, flip it again. Looking good. Yeah. Melt that cheese. Smash it down real good. Now let's go get a paper plate. Got my paper plate. Set it right here. I smell something burning. Ah, yeah.
I want to make my sandwich now.
Zoom in on this. You see that? Crispy, beautiful. And if you can, I can see a little bit of the cheese melting. So crispy. Zoom out. So then we shall flip it again. And it's kind of looking pretty done. So, cooking failed. 5-second roll. Alright. Now, let me get my favorite part. The steam. Are you serious? Ah! Ow! Yeah, barely in. Alright, now you want to cut it. And now, to get me eating it.
I'm not gonna watch you eat when I'm hungry. Take it.
What? See? That's good. So, thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Like. For Jizzles.